Yeah!
I was taught that words such as truth and honor hold meaning beyond their definitions. That's why I've chosen to live my life by the principles of ninjutsu and the way of the warrior, or Bushido. It seems the ultimate ninja, though he's said to have come from a different dimension, also reveres honor and glory. He seems to somehow recognize my master, who says of him, he is an enemy that won't fall easily. He came to this earth to gain honor and glory by defeating Oroku Saki, otherwise known as Shredder. Who knew Shredder had made such a name for himself? The ultimate ninja arrived only to find that we turtles had already defeated the Shredder. Now he thinks his only path to honor and glory is defeating us. Doesn't quite make sense, does it?
Was Shredder truly defeated by the likes of you? Thought I couldn't handle a throwing star? You wish! So, the fun's not over yet! Have a taste of my secret powers! Fire blasts! Fire blasts! Man, am I thirsty! Whoa! Cowards! I'm not gonna have to pay for this, am I? Whoa! I'm not gonna have to pay for this, am I? Whoa! 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 Don't you know not to play with fire? Whoa! Don't you know not to play with fire? Don't you know not to play with fire? Don't even think of running off! Mikey's the best! Numero uno! What moves? I couldn't handle a throwing star? You wish! Was Shredder truly defeated by the likes of you?
That hit the spot. I feel a bit better already. Whoa! Man, am I thirsty! Whoa! This looks valuable. Let's take it to April. Whoa! That hit the spot. I feel a bit better already. Whoa! Man, am I thirsty!
My greatest secret art!
Fire blasts! Now there's a hot ninja trick! Thought
Thought I couldn't handle a throwing star? You wish! Don't you know not to play with fire? I found my groove! What the? Fire blasts! I battle for justice and honor, and to protect my family. Turtle Slash! Turtle Slash! Turtle Slash! Turtle Slash!
Use such dark arts in defeat. Not only would you disgrace yourself thus, Splinter-san, you have trained your students well. I salute you. Once, many generations ago, we visited this dimension, but we endowed a chosen few with the first gifts of the art of ninjutsu. You have carried that tradition well, better even than my son. We go home.